Hey everybody, this is Matt from endsickness.org. I'm going to tell you something you probably don't know, okay? Inflammation, your own immune system and inflammation are the cause of all your symptoms. They're not caused by some condition you've been labeled, condition XYZ, or some chronic infection or Lyme or Candida or SIBO or whatever. They're caused by your own immune system, all right? So what does that mean to you? What does that mean? Inflammation is the cause of PTSD, every mental health issue, gut issues, autoimmune. Everything that exists is caused by inflammation. And what causes inflammation? Your own immune system, particularly the mast cells, the regulatory T cells. These are the most important cells when it comes to inflammation. So what does this mean to you? What is this? How can you use this information? Okay, well, you have to identify what actually is causing your immune system to be aggravated, right? And these are going to be things in your diet, okay? These are things that are in your environment, things you're inhaling, mycotoxins, things like that. And then your lifestyle, your past stress, your current stress, your trauma in the past, the subconscious stuff that's there, that's still causing you to make the decisions in your life to jeopardize your health and keep repeating the same patterns over and over again. So this is what I do with clients. I help them identify the main irritants that are in their diet, that are in their lifestyle, that are even in their environment, okay, to figure out what's the root cause of their issues that they want to try to overcome. And we really get to the bottom, what's blocking them on an emotional level, on a subconscious level, look into the past trauma-wise, we restructure it, we retell the story in a way that's beneficial to us, we go through the diet, we identify where the common irritants are, where our cravings are. The cravings usually dictate the issues. We go through the environment, make sure there's no mycotoxin issues present. We cover every angle, right? And this is a completely different approach than what you see in traditional and even holistic practices, where they just keep throwing supplements and medication at the patient, and they just keep getting hit in the face with more medication and supplements, and they never actually tell them what to do to change their behaviors to actually get better. They just keep enabling them over and over, enabling them. The reality is, if they knew about the immune system and that mast cells in the own immune system was what's causing it, they would be identifying the irritants in the immune system. Then they'd be giving them only plant-based, only plant-derived supplements that are meant to calm the immune system down constantly, replacing the key minerals, restoring the gut, improving detoxification, calming down the mast cells, balancing the regulatory T cells. They'd all be focused on that. They'd be on a whole other level like me, because I've gone through this for 22 years, okay? And I read everything you could possibly think. I read for 20 hours a day for 2-3 years, just studies, and then 15 years prior to that, I have a very unique approach to this that is on a whole other level, quite frankly. And the reality is, it's simple. It's inflammation that causes all of these conditions. We have to figure out what the causes of the inflammation are, and then we got to go ahead and reduce the inflammation through the use of these plant-based supplements. And I do want to say, I am not a medical doctor. It's not medical advice. This is just based on my personal experience and thank you for watching, everybody.